So this is what I got from Amazon today. I got a car rover LED headlight. This is a H7 LED. It's a halogen replacement for my 2007 GL450. So it doesn't have the HID light, so during the night, yeah, it's really bad. I need to turn on the fog lights. The fog lights are actually HID. I have them converted. So compared to LEDs, the LEDs are way simpler than the HIDs. The HID, you have like more components, and then it's really hard to diagnose too if they fail. Is it the bulb? Is it the ballast? Is it the igniter? Too many parts. LED is just one component. So these are the manuals. This one, I actually bought this one separately from Amazon too. This is the adapter for the bulb. So you need to buy this separately for H7 because some of the these LED headlights doesn't come with one. Yep. So you usually put them in the adapter, and then yeah, usually it's being placed in here like this. Yeah. So the actual one is this. It has this holder. This goes to the adapter. You put the adapter on top. You have to take it off. You just rotate it, and then yeah, it's really hard to rotate it with one hand. But yeah, you could pull this out, and then this is the CAN bus adapter. Hopefully, this one doesn't need any load resistor. If it needs one, then yeah, you have to figure out a way to put that load resistor somewhere in the headlight. So I'm gonna try put this on. So actually, I took out the wrong headlight. That's for the high beam. This is actually the one that we need to take out. The one with the projector. So this is on the other side. And this one has a longer wire. Yep. So I just pulled the bulb out. So I got the bulb out, and I have to use a glove so that the headlight will not be damaged or have on contact with oil or grease. So this is how the adapter should be placed. So it should be, you know, the square slot in here, it should be placed on this one. Yep. Yep. So once it's placed like that, this will no longer move, and then you have to insert the bulb here once you insert this one. So you have to insert this one first over here. Okay, so the adapter is already inside. Yeah. And I need to put in the bulb, insert the bulb. So I'm doing the passenger side. This one has some space. You just like turn it counterclockwise a little bit, and you get the headlight pulled out. Then you just pull this bulb out. Yeah, basically you have to wear gloves. Just pry this out. it's gonna be hard. But yep. So I got the bulb out. Time to put the adapter in. I think when you put it, the square nut should be down, and then the one on the right side should be like angled a little bit, and then you move it clockwise like that, and that will lock into place. Okay, now I got the bulb in place now, so I'm gonna connect this one to the original bulb connector. Yep. Then going to put that inside the headlight. Then we'll see before I cover it. See, okay, I got it on now. So I'm trying to the headlight. I don't see any errors yet. Yep, no errors. And this one is working. This one is working too. Still an incandescent bulb. Cover back in. Turn this off. And we'll let's drive it. I don't see any errors. So this is the light at night using LED. It's not yellowish. It's pretty good, and there's no errors. Doesn't need any load resistor. And it's pure white. Pure white.